A compound with formula C6H14 has 2 tertiary carbons. We need to identify its correct IUPAC name. Let us solve step by step. A tertiary carbon is a carbon atom attached directly to 3 other carbon atoms. So we must count such carbons in each possible structure. For 2,3-dimethylbutane, the second carbon and the third carbon are each attached to 3 other carbons. So this structure has exactly 2 tertiary carbons. In 2,2-dimethylbutane, the highly substituted carbon is quaternary, not tertiary. In 2-methylpentane, only 1 carbon is tertiary. Normal hexane is straight chain and has no tertiary carbon. Only option A satisfies the condition of exactly 2 tertiary carbons. Therefore, the correct IUPAC name is 2,3-dimethylbutane. For more clear exam solutions, keep learning with Acharya.